Hello friends, today I am going to prepare a quick and easy banana walnut cake. This cake is very fluffy in texture and it tastes amazing. So why wait now? Let's quickly get started with the procedure. For this quick and easy cake recipe, we will need 4 bananas. The banana should be very ripe, then only the flavor of the cake will come out nicely. The other ingredients are maida or all-purpose flour, oil, here I am using normal vegetable oil, baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, vanilla essence, sugar, walnuts and some chocolate chips. First I am going to take a blender and into the blender I will peel the bananas and cut them into small pieces and put them. Next I will add the sugar into this blender. We will blend this nicely so that both the sugar and the bananas are mixed together. Now you can see that the bananas and sugar has formed a nice and smooth liquid. I will now take this into a bowl. If you see any small pieces of banana left out, you can slightly mash them. Into this banana sugar mixture, I am going to add the oil now. Along with this, I will also add the vanilla essence. Use a hand whisk and mix everything together. The oil should mix completely with the banana and sugar mixture. Now I will keep a sieve over this and add in all the dry ingredients into it. Maida, baking soda, baking powder, pinch of salt. Now let us mix this well using the cut and fold method. Now you can see that the cake batter has formed nicely. It's very smooth in texture. If your cake batter is hard, you can add few tablespoons of milk, but today I have not added any milk in this. Into this I am adding chopped walnuts. Give everything a good mix so that the walnuts get into every bite of the cake. Now I am going to prepare the cake tin. For this I am going to grease some oil on this. Onto this greased cake tin I am going to place a butter paper and apply a little more oil onto this. Now I will add the cake batter into this tin. Tap this twice to remove any air bubbles. Finally, I will add some chocolate chips on top of this cake batter. Now this is ready to go inside a preheated oven. Going to bake this cake at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. I will check after 20 minutes. If it is not done, then I will continue for another 5 minutes. The oven is preheated now, so I am popping in the cake. I will take a look at this after 20 minutes. The cake is now out of the oven. I will just insert a toothpick and check if it is done. It looks like it is done. It's coming clean. It's done now. So I will let this cool down before we can take it into a plate. The cake has completely cooled down now. I am now going to take this out of the cake tin. Slowly release the edges first. now remove the butter paper. So now the butter paper is removed. I will now flip this into another plate. So the yummy banana walnut cake is now ready. Let me just cut a small slice. You can see the softness of the cake. It's time for me to taste. I hope you enjoyed watching the recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you liked the recipe. Thank you friends.